Curiosity's hard work is once again paying off by turning up evidence that liquid water quite likely exists on Mars at this time. Curiosity is a car-sized robotic rover exploring Gale Crater on Mars as part of NASA's Mars Science Laboratory mission. A paper published in Natural Geoscience reveals that data collected at the Gale Crater suggests the presence of condensation that appears at night and evaporates during the day. The soil's composition is key in allowing for such promise, as it shows high quantities of perchlorate salts, which would enable water to exist in a liquid form despite the red planet's punishing sub-zero temperatures. Said the study's lead author, there have been many hypotheses and laboratory studies supporting this possibility before, but this is the first time they found evidence of that conditions are right for the formation of liquid water on Mars. However, liquid water likely doesn't stay on the surface for a long time due to a number of environmental factors. In addition to simply freezing, it's particularly prone to vaporizing into a gas, as Mars lacks the kind of atmosphere to sustain liquid stability. Though the evidence discovered by Curiosity suggests a minute amount of liquid, researchers are hopeful that it's an indication of many more deposits existing elsewhere. I grew up fascinated by Mars. I'm sure we all saw the movies where the Martians want to take over, destroy, survey, benefit, or save Earth. And yet, as life as we know it, or imagine it to be, is most likely improbable. But now at least we know that liquid water is a potentially existing thing on the planet. Sure, there aren't any big bodies of water, but the condensation is a good start, despite the fact that it's only evident at night. The soil is compatible for liquid water, which is surprising considering that the planet has such an unbearable atmosphere, what with freezing temperatures and minute amount of oxygen. Water is H2O, two hydrogen atoms bonded onto one oxygen atom. If my chemistry is off, forgive me, I never took chemistry in high school or college. So the potential lack of oxygen and hydrogen makes sense that water would not occur on Mars, but it is the soil that has the elements needed to form water. I know I heard a million times that there was water on Mars, that scientists have proven this, about ice on Mars meaning water exists on Mars. But, thinking of it, ice doesn't always have to have water to form. I know the existence of dry ice, which does not require water to form, so the ice caps on Mars could most likely be of dry ice, especially in the atmosphere, so the ice didn't necessarily spell out water. But the condensation in the Martian soil does require water. This discovery will most likely spell out water. These reports have been premature. Then there is a chance that since condensation exists on the planet at night, there's more water existing lower down in the planet's core. A truly fascinating find.